Invention of physics. Isaac Newton is popularly remembered as the man who saw an apple fall from a tree. From this, he was inspired to invent theory of gravity. Father of physics was Galileo Galilei. He was the first person who used telescope to make important astronomical discoveries. Marie Curie was the mother of modern physics in 1898. Together with her husband Pierre, she discovered the elements of polonium and radioactive element. For this, she received a first Nobel Prize in physics in 1903. Invention of chemistry. The first modern chemist was Robert Boyle. He worked with gases. Boyle was also the first to disagree with the Greek idea of four elements in his book called The Skeptic Chemist, published in 1661. The father of chemistry was Antony Lavoisier because he wrote the book called Elements of Chemistry. Chemistry was invented in 17th century. Invention of Telugu. The first written materials in the Telugu language date from 575 CE. The Telugu script is derived from that of the 6th century Chalukya dynasty and is related to that of the Kannada language. Telugu literature begins in the 11th century with a version of the Hindu epic Mahabharata by the writer Nannaya Bhatta. He was equally proficient in Sanskrit, Kannada and Tamil, but he was the honor of Telugu achieving the classical language called C.P. Brown. He was the savior of Telugu culture and literature. Invention of Hindi language. Hindi is the direct descendant of early form of Vedic Sanskrit. It merged in 7th century AD. It is not invented by anyone. Modern standard Hindi evolved from the interaction of early speakers of Khari Boli with Muslim invaders from Afghanistan, Iran, Turkey, Central Asia and elsewhere. Bharatendu Harishchandra was the father of Hindi literature and Hindi theory. The age of Hindi language was 70 years old, as it has been declared official language of independent India in 1949. Pariksha Guru was the first Hindi novel in 1882. Invention of English language. English is a West Germany language that originated from Anglo-Frisian dialects brought to Britain in the mid-5th to 7th centuries AD by Anglo-Saxon migrants. English was first spoken by people of England. English is derived from Latin and from Sanskrit. The father of English was Geoffrey Chaucer. He was born in London. He was an English author, poet, philosopher, courtier, and diplomat.